Welcome to my YouTube channel, and if this is your first time of coming to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Just click the button below, the subscribe button below, and subscribe. Okay, so right in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make money online doing affiliate marketing. Okay, so before I start this video, in this video I'm going to be breaking down a lot of things, I'm going to be correcting a lot of misconception about affiliate marketing, because when people hear about affiliate marketing, what comes to their mind now is scam, right? That hey, affiliate marketing is scam, affiliate marketing is this, affiliate marketing is that. Well, I will not dispute the fact that people have a misconception about affiliate marketing, that it is scam. It's influenced through what they have heard from people, the so-called coaches and all, the lies that they have cooked for them. So, but in this video, you are going to get the clarification you need to get when it comes to understanding how affiliate marketing works, right? So, this is the fourth video I'll be making on my promise. I promise that I'm going to be making 5 different videos on how to make money online. So the first video I talked about how to make money online doing online survey, and the second video I talked about how to make money online doing personal shopping, right? Then in the third video I talked about how to make money online selling digital products, and this is the fourth one. And in this video I'm going to be telling you how to make money online doing affiliate marketing both locally and globally, right? So but before I go into detail to this video, so I would like to tell you what affiliate marketing is not. Affiliate marketing is not referral programming, because if I look at a lot of so-called affiliate marketing platform, especially in Nigeria, I'm making this video in Nigeria, especially in Nigeria, most of them has turned affiliate marketing into network marketing. There's a difference between affiliate marketing and network marketing. There are different between network marketing and affiliate marketing. But Nigerian affiliate marketing system has bring a lot of mislead, a lot of deceit into the market, whereby it has really affected a lot of things. People don't want to believe in affiliate marketing again. So number one, affiliate marketing is not a refer and end program. It's not a affiliate marketing is not a Ponzi scheme. Affiliate marketing is not a get rich quick scheme. You get? So if anybody is telling you about affiliate marketing and the person is telling you that you need to refer one person, refer two person, or refer three person before you can make money, that is a lie. When somebody is telling you that you need to refer a particular person to the program before you can make money, and they are calling it affiliate marketing, that is not affiliate marketing, right? All those things are lie. All those things are lie. So affiliate marketing is not that, right? So affiliate marketing is not a refer, just like I've said, it's not a refer and end program, it's not a Ponzi scheme, it's not um it's not network marketing, and also affiliate marketing is not a get rich scheme. So if anybody is trying to convince you to come and do affiliate market and is mentioning any of those things that I've mentioned, that person is a scam. The person is lying to you and you want to eat your money, right? So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simply selling other people's products. Selling other people's products, selling product that does not belong to you. It might be products, it might be service. So selling other people's product or service that does not belong to you, right? Okay, so let me cite an example. Let's say I have a store now. I sell bags. Let's say I sell laptop bags, right? So now I have a store that I sell bag. I need sales. I need sales, right? I need to make a lot of sales so that I can meet up with my target and all. So what I can do now is that I can actually put out an offer that I'm looking for an affiliate marketer. So I'm looking for people that are going to pick up my product, my bag, and sell to other people's products for a commission. Let's say the bag is selling for 50,000 naira. I'm just saying the bag is selling for 50,000 naira. I can bring up an offer that, oh, if you sell this bag for 50,000 naira, you'll be getting a 10% commission from it. That is a pure affiliate marketing. So if someone that is interested in the offer can just come to me, I'm interested in this offer. I want to sell, I want to help you sell your bag for a commission. So all they need is the promotional material, and the promotional material can be mere video, can be pictured of the bag. So all they need to do is to just promote the bag, and when they have a customer, they refer the customer to me and they get paid. Like, once the customer patronize the bag, they get their commission, and the 10% is going to be, I think, 5,000 naira. So that's purely what affiliate marketing is. That's for a product. Okay, let's say for a service now. Let's say now I build websites. So now let's say, as I'm building website, I need a lot of clients. I need more clients, right? I can put up on an offer, just like what I've explained before, and put up on an offer that I'm actually looking for affiliate marketers that are going to partner with me in my website development service. So all you have to do is to look for people that want to build websites. Let's say I'm charging $1,000. I'm just saying, let's say I'm charging $1,000 for the website creation. So I can just say, on every client, a successful client, you'll be getting a 10% affiliate commission. So that means if you refer a client to me and eventually the clients build their website through me, you'll be getting $100. So that's purely what affiliate marketing is. So if anybody is telling you about affiliate marketing and says anything rather than what I just say now, the person is just trying to persuade you to buy a program or something. The person is just interested in collecting money from you. Do you understand? So that is purely what affiliate marketing is. So let me repeat myself. Affiliate marketing is simply selling other people's products or services. Simple as that. It's not until you start referring 2 people, or you refer 5 people, or you refer 20 people. No. So I know a lot of people are going to hate what I just said in this video, but I don't care. So that's just it. So if you have been having a lot of misconception about affiliate marketing, I believe what I just said will give you a clarification that you need, right? So now, talking about affiliate marketing, I've already explained how it works and how affiliate marketing is actually works, right? So now, how can you make money with affiliate marketing? I already given an insight that, oh, I have a product. You want to be my affiliate. So all you just have to do is to promote the product and get commission whenever I make sales. Simple as that. So that's another way. That's a way of making money. So this way now is a win-win, because I make sales, you earn money. So the two of us, like the two party, is a win-win game for the two party, right? So now talking about how to make money doing affiliate marketing. So there are some platforms that you can sign up for and be the affiliate market. In fact, Jumia, there was a time I was doing affiliate marketing with Jumia. You understand? So all you just have to do is to register as their affiliate. Once you register as an affiliate, you can sell any of the products on Jumia. So whenever you sell those products, all you just need to do is to copy your affiliate link that they will generate for you, and maybe share it, maybe through social media, or run advert with, or whatever you are don't know how you want to promote it. So the main point is that for you to promote it, and when people showed interest, they patronized Jumia and you get your commission. So that's for Jumia. There are other platforms you can do affiliate marketing with. There are also other platforms. So like I said, for Jumia, there are other platforms in which I cannot be mentioned. So you just have to do your own research and see the platform that you want to work for. Okay, so as a bonus, I will give out a platform. The platform is called Impact Radius. impact.com. So I'll put the link under the description of this video. So impact.com is a global platform, right? So now every brand come together, like they sign up on that platform on Impact Radius looking for affiliate marketers, right? So now you that want to start making money doing affiliate marketing, you can actually sign up on those platform on the platform Impact Radius. So once you sign up on that platform, you can affiliate with any of the brand that you want. You can affiliate with any of the brand that you want, but focus on global platform, right? So on that platform, I'm actually affiliating with just a brand, which is Bluehost. I've made some money uh, from Bluehost. Currently, I think I have like $65. So let me explain how this works in case you might be interested. So, but before then, for the Bluehost, if you want to become an affiliate for Bluehost, I don't think they're accepting Nigeria anymore because I've been their affiliates for a very long time. For a very long time, I'm not sure they accept Nigeria. I'm not sure they accept Nigeria again, but you can try your luck. So all you just have to do is to go to impact.com. Then once you sign up, just do your sign up. It's very simple to sign up. It's very simple. So once you sign up, look for Bluehost and apply to be their affiliates. So if you are not in Nigeria, and there's high chance that they will accept you. But if you are in Nigeria, I'm not sure if they still accept Nigeria. But because I've been their affiliate marketer for a very long time, so I'm still there. You understand? But I'm not sure they accept new people, right? So all you just have to do is to sign up on the Impact, then search for Bluehost and apply for apply to be their affiliate marketer, right? So you wait for their approval. If they approve you, good luck. So if they approve you, all you just have to do is to start affiliating their services. Okay, so what does Bluehost offer? Bluehost is an hosting platform. They sell hosting plans and also a domain. So if you are not familiar with hosting, let me just explain. Hosting is I don't know how I'm going to put it, is that thing that you need to host your website. So it's a place where all your website files are going to be stored. So if you want to build a website now, let's say with WordPress, you will need an hosting. So you can actually buy that hosting from Bluehost. You understand? And they also sell domain. Okay, so what is domain? Domain is that name that you normally type if you want to enter a website. Let's see Facebook now. Facebook.com is a domain name. Alright, so like that. So that's what they sell. All you just have to do is if they approve you, just copy your affiliate link and look for people that will be interested in buying domain. And I don't think they are paying people. They are paying affiliates for domain. They are not paying commission for domain. They only pay commission for hosting. So now for each hosting, I think the minimum is $28. So now imagine there is something crazy about those platforms. Up to now I don't understand how they are making profit. So now the hosting is $28, approximately $28. If you, let's say as an affiliate now, if I sell that product of $28, guess how much they will be paying me? They will pay me $65 as profit, as commission. If possible, I will attach a screenshot of my earning screen, like my screen for my pending payments. I'm expecting payment from them. The payment should arrive maybe in 2 months time. I think because their payments arrive 3 months, I think. So I don't know if they are changing their policy. I don't know. So can do your research. I'm just using Bluehost as an example. There are other platforms in which you can apply. You just have to do your research. So you can apply for them. I have so much belief in platforms that are not Nigerian because most of affiliate marketing platform Nigerians are scam. I'm sorry to say that, but most of them are scam because I've been in the internet streets for a very long time, so I can tell. So most of them are scam. So most of them they will just use you and pay you peanuts. Most of them they will even use you, they will not even pay you any peanuts. So that's it. Some will just ask you to pay. After paying, then they will tell you to go and refer. No, that is not affiliate marketing. So that's for that. So that is how to make money um on with affiliate marketing globally. Okay, now let's talk about how to make money online. How to make money online doing affiliate marketing locally. I already said something about it, but I will say it again. So now let's say you have somebody in your streets, or you have somebody, your friend, or you have somebody wherever the person is. Now the person might not even be in your country. Just let's say you know somebody that have a product. I think that product is very lucrative, is something that people, is something that the market really wants. So what you just have to do is to walk up to the owner. It might be virtually, it might be physically, right? Let me use physically. Let's say you know a market now. Let's say which market can I use? Okay, let's just say Alaba market now. I'm making this video in Nigeria, so that's why I'm using location Nigeria. Let's say you know somebody in Alaba market, and that person is selling a particular product. That product, you know that this product is very lucrative. It's something that people are willing to pay for. So you can actually walk up to that person and make an agreement with the person that, oh, what if I help you to sell these products? What will be my commission? Or what if I refer people to get this product from you? What will be my commission? So you bargain. Okay, I'll be paying you 5%, I'll be paying you 10%. So you just have the conversation. So once you have that conversation, so if it's good, if the commission percentage is okay by you, you agree with that, and it's very important, get the promotional materials. Get the promotional material. Maybe it's video, maybe it's picture of the product, so that you can be using that to promote the product and to get customers, right? So that's how to do affiliate marketing. That's how to make money online or offline doing affiliate marketing. So I think that will be the end of this video. If you have any question regarding everything I just said in this video, drop it in the comment section. I'll check all my videos. I reply to every comment. So just comment, just drop your comment, ask question, ask what you don't understand. Don't come to my place. I see a lot of people, because I drop my phone number in one of my videos, right? So if you want to copy the phone number or message me, it should be for the sake of maybe you want to connect with me. Don't come to me on WhatsApp to ask questions regarding the video I make on YouTube. If you have a question, drop it under the comments. I will reply to it, and I will reply to it as fast as possible. So that is that for that. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that now. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can grow, so that I will be able to offer to give you more information, more informative content, and all. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in my next video.